Children, already we have discussed about the balancing of reaction from the unit chemical reaction and equations. Now we have been starting with the next topic, that is types of reactions. Basically there are 5 types of reaction. One is combination, then decomposition, displacement, double displacement, oxidation and reduction reactions. So today we will cover 2 topics. One is combination reaction and decomposition reaction. I will take the example of combination reaction. What is combination reaction? First thing is that the definition. Combination reaction is when the 2 or more reactants they combine together to give one product, that is called as the combination reaction. For example, we have this is calcium oxide combines with water, gives us calcium hydroxide. Now the common name of calcium oxide is quicklime and common name of calcium hydroxide is slakelime. Should know the common name also with the chemical name. Now second example we can take, when the hydrogen combines with oxygen, formation of water molecule is there, and this is again an example of a combination reaction. Another one we have the example that we can learn is that as a carbon when combines with, the simplest example we have that carbon combines with oxygen and the formation of carbon dioxide is there. You see, whenever we are saying the word combustion, that also means that is the combination reaction. So combustion is the reaction with oxygen. We are saying that is the burning of natural gas. Burning of natural gas is another example. The natural gas is methane, that is CH4 is the formula of methane. When methane is combining with oxygen, always the formation of carbon dioxide and water is there. Now in all these reactions there is a formation of the heat, light or energy is there. So whenever a combination reaction is there, there is a liberation of heat, light or energy, and that's why they are called as exothermic reaction. So the another name of combination reaction is exothermic reaction. We will take one very important example, that is the example of respiration reaction. Yeah. And respiration is always exothermic in nature because of the liberation of energy in that case. And what is respiration reaction? Respiration reaction is when glucose C6H12O6 that combines with oxygen, that is the combustion, and in presence of the water molecule. Okay. And formation of, in this case, the formation of, that is the carbon dioxide, water and liberation of energy which is being utilized for the various functions of the body. So this is what we have, the respiration reaction. Now all these combination reaction which we have been learning over here, they are telling us these are also called as the exothermic reaction, that is the recapitulation I am taking. The next type of reaction, that is the decomposition reaction. We will take the next type of reaction which is called as the decomposition reaction. The second type is decomposition reaction. Now what are decomposition reaction? Whenever one of the reactant that breaks down into many of the products, that is called as the decomposition reaction. And in case of decomposition, there is a requirement to break down the product, to decompose the product. There is a requirement of heat, light or electricity. And these reactions, the decomposition reactions, are also called as endothermic reaction. Now why they are called endothermic reaction? Because they take heat, they break down, they take light, they break down, they take electricity and break down into the respective constituents. Now the example of this decomposition reaction we have, for example, lead nitrate, that is PbNO3 whole twice, it is white in color, and in presence of heat it forms lead oxide, nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. Now to balance this equation, we should write down over here 2 2, 4. Then only the reaction will be completed. Now, this is the formation of brown fumes. So whenever the formation of brown fumes is there after heating lead nitrate, that means the reaction is complete. So we can say that is the brown fumes will form. Now many of the questions will be asked based on this very thing, so that you will get in the assignment, which I will send later on. So this is the arrow. Why I have kept arrow over here? Upper headed arrow means that is the liberation of gas. The next example I can take, that is the ferrous sulfate, which is called as FeSO4, which is light green in color. Light green in color. It is also, when heat is provided to this, formation of the ferric oxide, which is called as Fe2O3. Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3 will form. These two are gaseous in nature. So Fe2O3, which is called as ferric oxide. Now this light green in color, and here when it is heated it becomes reddish brown. On heating it becomes reddish brown in color. So that also tells us the reaction is complete. Now one more example, that is calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate, which is marble. Calcium carbonate is marble, or the chalk we are using, that too is made up of calcium carbonate. Its common name is limestone. It is, when heated, formation of calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. You know, we just now discussed about the common name of calcium oxide, which is called as quicklime. So these are the various examples of the decomposition reactions. And the decomposition reactions, that is in presence of heat. Now another type of decomposition reaction we will learn, that is in presence of electricity. Okay. So next is the in presence of electricity, how the decomposition reaction is possible. That is, whenever water molecule is there and the electricity is passed, this water molecule will break down into hydrogen and oxygen, 2 molecules of hydrogen and 1 molecule of oxygen. So this is an example of electrolysis with the help of electricity, water molecule breaks down into hydrogen and oxygen. The next is the decomposition reaction in presence of sunlight. The third type of decomposition reaction in presence of sunlight. Suppose, for example, we are taking silver chloride, or we are taking silver bromide, which is used in photography also, and we are using over here sunlight. In presence of sunlight, it is kept in sunlight. So when any of this is being kept in sunlight, both of them are white in color. This is also white. This is also white in color. Formation of silver, which is grey in color, and chlorine molecule here, and formation of silver again, which is grey in color, and the bromine molecule will form over here. So these are the examples of decomposition reaction, which are also called as the endothermic reactions.